2 times 3 gives us 6. So 6 divided by 6, then minus 1. Now we do this division. 6 divided by 6 gives us 1. So we have 1 divided 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, which equals 0. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. First we have to do parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression we have 1 division, 1 multiplication, and 1 subtraction. According to the PEMDAS, multiplication and division have higher priority than subtraction. And as I said, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So therefore, first we have to do this division, then this multiplication, and finally this subtraction. If we do this multiplication before this division, it is wrong. So first we have to do this division. 6 divided by 2 gives us 3. So we have 3 times 3 minus 1. Now we have 1 multiplication and 1 subtraction. Multiplication has higher priority than subtraction because multiplication comes before subtraction. So here first we have to do this multiplication. 3 times 3 equals 9. So we have 9 minus 1, which equals 8. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 8.